Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about a very simple and special command in Linux. So that is the cat command. Cat command is used for displaying the content of that file. It's display the whole content of the file. In Linux we have many commands for displaying the content of the file. Like we can display the content of the file through the tail command, through head command, through more command as well, through less command as well, and we have a view command as well. Through vi as well we can view the files and we can edit that one. So today I'm just covering the cat command. What are the option with the cat? Let's see. Cat file name, it will display the content of the file. Let's see, I'm opening any files. I'm opening the new file 1.txt. So whatever content in the file, it will display the all the contents of that file. Let me open any other files. I'm opening test.sh. So there is one line, it will display that line. So that is the simple command, cat and file name. My second option is the with the cat file name and the pipe symbol. This pipe symbol, with pipe symbol we can use others command as well, combining with the cat command. We can use more command, we can use grep command for finding any word or any line as well, combination of word as well, combination of some code as well. So let's see this, how we can use this one. Suppose my file is there and I want to for suppose for error log analysis I want to search failed or any error messages. I can search through that. Suppose in that file I am searching Linux, grep Linux. So wherever Linux is there, it is showing there in that line. So same way, suppose if any log file is there and if you want to search any word, we can search through this. We have other option as well. Suppose if you want to display the first 10 line of this file, or first suppose 4 line of the file, so it will display. If you want to display the last 5 line of this file, we can use tail-5. It will display the last 5 line from the file. We have other option as well. If you want to check this file with more option, we can see that with more option. If file size is big, we can view the file by page. We can view this with less option as well. So with combination of command we can use. My third option is cat is concatenating. Cat itself derived from the command, this word concatenating. So cat concatenating means it's combined two files and it display that output. Suppose if you want to display the two file content, suppose I want to display this test.sh, this is file. If you want to display the cat test.py, so there is two lines only. If you want to display both file together, then we can use this test.sh, test.py. It will display the both content in the cat option. So if you want to display the 2 files 3 files content, it will display that one. Suppose and if you want to create a new files, so let me create a new file through this. Suppose I'm concatenating two files, cat test.py, test.sh, and I want to create a new file. I'm creating test2.sh. So it will create a new file. Let me view this file, test2.sh. We can see. So whatever content in these two files, it will create a new files and those content will be moved in that new file. My third or fourth option is the creating in files. We can create a files through touch as well, through vi as well, and we can create through cat as well. Let me create a new file, new file, new file underscore one dot txt, and we can use this file is created through cat. We can write any text here or anything here, and we can save through control D. Let's see that file is saved or not. Cat new, let me display that content of that file. We can see this file is created through the cat command. Whatever files, whatever we want to write in that files, we can write directly. My fourth option is appending of files. So if you want to append any data or any files in that, suppose I want to append this content, this file content to the this new files. So let me do how we can do that one. Test, let me first display the what is there in test.sh. This single one line is there, and you want to move this this whole the content of test.sh to new file 1.txt. Let's do how we can do that one. Just we have to use double arrow greater than symbol, and I will use the new file 1.txt, and let me now view this file, new file 1.txt. So whatever contents are there of the file, it will move here. We can write as well. Suppose if you want to write here in this and we want to append that, so we'll just use the double greater than symbol and use the file name, and we can write here as well. Suppose I am just appending this text, and let me save this one, and again I am viewing this file. See, you can see I am just appending this text. So through this append, we can move the content of any file. We can write as well whatever we want to write. My next comma option with cat is -n. If you want to display the content of any files, suppose I opening any file, cat, I'm opening this new file dot txt, and I'm using -n option. So we can see it will display the line of that whatever content there. This is the line. Suppose with this line I want to display only 5 line. Let's see, with first top 5 line I can use z-5. See, it will display the top 5 only. So earlier I discussed in a pipe command, so we can just validate that one. If you want to display the last 2 line, let's see what it's showing. Last 2 line through cat, it will display 19 in that file. In this file new file.txt, there are 10 lines are there. So if you want to display that 2 lines, 3 lines from the top, from the bottom, we can use those options. Cat fnb, number of only non-blank lines. So if we see this file, and 1 second, I'm using -b option here. Let's see what happened. So whatever non-blank lines are there, that one only slow. It will not show the earlier it was showing no non-blank line like 2 3 4 5. It is not showing. It's just showing the non-blank line. Blank lines are not showing. with hyphen B option. Next command is cat hyphen E. So if you want to display this dollar mark at the end of each line, suppose if you want to check like end of any lines, then we can use this symbol. Let me use capital E. So these are the end of any line. So end of every line it's showing. This is one line, so that's why there is nothing in that one, but still it's starting and ending is same, so it's showing this dollar mark. So if you want to show the dollar mark, so you can use with cat hyphen E option. If you want to display the tab characters, any tab characters are there, the same file, let me check, with hyphen T option. So see here, it will show this mark. We can see here tab space is there. Here see, there tab space are there. That's why if any tab space we want to see, we can see through the cat hyphen T option. Cat hyphen S is if any multiple blank lines are there, so it will convert into single blank line. If any files, suppose here multiple blanks are there, let me use this option and let's see what happened. Cat hyphen S. See, earlier here are multiple blank lines there, we can see multiple blanks lines there. It converted to multiple blank line into single line, single blank line. So this is all about the cat with multiple options. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.